Stop. Don't download Revit like this, because one small mistake can block your student license forever. Watch this video till the end, because I'll show you the correct and official way to download Autodesk Revit Student version, step by step. Most students think Revit is paid or needs a crack, but what if I tell you that Revit is 100% free for students, legally? And yes, it works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's start. Step 1. Go to the official Autodesk website. First, open your web browser. Now search for Revit Student Version Official Download. Click only on the official Autodesk website, or directly link in description. Important, never download Revit from cracked or third-party sites. Step 2. Sign in or create Autodesk account. On the Autodesk page, click on Education. Select Students and Educators. Sign in or create a free Autodesk account. Use your college email ID if available. It speeds up verification. Step 3. Start the download. Now, after verification, select Revit. Choose Windows version. Click Install/Download. File size is large, so use stable internet. So that's how you can download Revit Student version officially. If this video helped you, like, subscribe for more CAD and BIM software tutorials. Comment below which engineering software you want next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.